Our friends at Astro AI said, hey, we got this air pump. You want to take a look at it? We do a lot of bike repairs. We're like, yeah, send it over. Real super light. There's no battery in this one. It's operated by 12 volt. But look at all the adapters. You got the Presto. You got your Schrader. You can pump up your basketballs and your footballs and your sports equipment and just about any type of bicycle or car tire. It has a really nice long cord and also almost 10 feet of power. So you could really wrap this around your car and plug it in any 12-volt accessory port and really get to any one of your tires if you need to. We'll show you how we did that later. So I had a bicycle I needed to pump up. Let's pop this guy on there. It locks on very, very seamlessly. It fits perfectly. And this one has to go up to just about 30, 35 pounds of pressure. And the pressure goes all the way up to 150, which is incredible, 150 PSI. So it's going to handle just about anything you could throw at this. It has a neat little LED light built in, which is pretty handy if you're on the side of the road. And also, if you need a dance partner, it will dance on hard floors for you. I don't know if you need that, but it's kind of fun to watch. So I took it in and wanted to see how far this 10-foot cord goes, almost 10 feet long, plugs right into my accessory port in the back of my SUV, and I need a little pressure in my tires, and no problem, it does it quickly. And also this thing will last a lot longer because it has metal components, not plastic. And that is great too. We're going to get a lot of life out of this thing. Fits neatly in my accessory port in my car, and this is a great unit. You're going to love it too.